ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. MAY may I help you? One day, Mother was walking to school. ONN TH that
the on the
HE
on the way
he met old
and
old man TH the old man WANT want ED wanted BO2 CR OSS TH the road. TH the ROAD road. WASC was BUSY busy. WITH with VEHLCL ES vehicle. MADHAY
Madhav
ASK ask ED ask TH the old man MAY may I help you? TH the old man REPLIED replied HILP help ME TO2 CR OSS press TH the R road DERAR Madhav help me TH the old man PO2 CROSS class TH the road ONN TH the zebra lines TH the old man BLESS blast old
Madhav
Madhav and WENT AWAY away
went away.
Madhav WASC was happy.